Gila Polychrome. Dates, they're kind of all over the place. Around 1300 AD, below the Mogollon Rim. Yeah, about 1300. The dates, I've got some as early as 1250, some as late as Cordell, of course, 1600. Oh, by the way, if you want to, this is a good book about pottery types and dates. And there's a good section in the back about different forms and the spirit break, etc. You can get this online pretty easy. If you need one, let me know. Gila Polychrome, 3 colors again, red slip on the outside, black and white on the inside. The forms are very unique with Gila. We see this flared rim all the time with Gila. Another one here, big flared rim with the water ripples or the ripple line around the rim. We talked about spirit breaks on the Tontos. Spirit break painted into this one right there. And I'm pretty sure this one has a big one. Yep, there's a spirit break painted into the rim. You know, this little drill hole. That's where they probably bound this pot together or had it, I don't think it was hanging. But yeah, there's the other drill hole is there. A lot of times the vessel would break and they would actually mend it with a cord. Spirit breaks. Here's another one. Yeah, there's one here. Discontinuation in the band. And ritual kill. Another break, spirit break if you will. These 3 little bowls all have a rim kill. They were all found together. They were excavated from exactly the same spot. They all have the rim kill. Beautiful little things. This one, Gila, the fun thing about Gila, what I like about Gila, is that there's a lot of symbols, and they're good ones. And you can kind of see the transition from just patterns to more symbols. And it happens in Gila around 1300 AD. Notice the 2 birds, there again. 2 birds in the bottom of that little Gila. They look like water birds. They look like swans. But remember, this is the Southwest U.S., so I don't know. This is a sunflower. You notice the white pigments are really quite fugitive. They're not really fired very high. And like I say, this pottery is a little softer than some of the later stuff. Sand temper, they used the sand temper. Gila. Okay, you see the interlocked lines. Now that is probably friendship, marriage, maybe, or a curly wind sometimes. This figure we see a lot. Ripply lines with 2 dots in the corner, opposing corners. Probably water, could be house, could be a clan symbol. Board pattern is typically thought to be the starry sky or the Milky Way, which was a pathway for the warrior twins, brother elder and brother younger. And by the way, my reference for all of the Pueblo mythology is good old Joseph Campbell. And wonderful man, and you should read him if you haven't. Let's see. Oh, the Thunderstorm. This one. I just love this one. This one really helps. 2 lightning bolts, of course 2. 2 lightning bolts in the middle. Earth, land. Now, it's not earth, land stretching out in front of you. It's rows. When the Pueblo culture thinks of earth, land, they think of gardens. And they irrigate it in rows. And I have good images on Mimbres vessels showing exactly them irrigating in rows. Okay, earth, land, lightning, and swirling wind. Wonderful little thunderstorm vessel. Cross, you see a cross, it's usually a star. And these black figures in the middle are like 2 arrow points touching, which could be a war symbol. This little triangle with the interlocked terraces is often thought to be a village. I have a good example showing it as a village. I will show you a Gila shoulder. If we had an Oya, it would look like this in form, a little bit. It would look like this. This is not a Gila, this is a Matsaki, but it would have this shoulder. This is called the Gila shoulder. Talking about spirit breaks, boy, there's a beauty. That is a beautiful spirit break. vessel. Predecessor to Tonto, we have another video about the Tonto polychromes. A lot of symbols start to happen, and it makes it a lot of fun. 1300, but this stuff was made later too, and traded very, very widely. Gila Polychrome.